Kariba kaunti ya Meru wishumeria kurio kuthimwa murimo yo kansa yura yoete ntabariko kaunti-ini bakiaria atongeria bani bawete murimo yoyo kamenyekana kurio yututairwa na muntu akabwa bakiwa baba ingi bakinya cibitarine yo arire irungo bya mwiri ko kwina inya muntu ethira ayetetheka.
Rera wa kinya twi Mount Kenya Run itubwite kwariria urimi bwetu tukaua iturimae iraita wa safe farming practices ati tugekira irio bietu fertilizer indhoku kana tuketha irio bietu mbere biachua kana mbere bikora na tumenyere urimi no tubira tugwikira irio ne bietu bira bie myundene no bibi gutonya miri netu rira tukibiria
na kairikire arimi baria twinabo antu bautumira ndawa muno kenda irio bikuranga arakaraka ma GMO kana ma chemicals jo jonde bukonenkerwa je kira kire into nyanya ugikuria nyanya utikwende kurore kura ugorenda umiwira mandawa kawa getu no mandawa majani mandawa marigo jetu no katukuja je kira ndawa antu kabamenye mandawa jaja bugutinda bukiwagira kire irio ati ndoroko kenda ikuranga nyamo yu niji ikweja ikareta kansa baadaye mpempe yetu kuririo kwari na aflatoxin iu ni very dangerous anto batige kurenya mpempe indhoku na jiareti ni kwethira anto baritumira ma chemicals gukuria irio bibio bigutuma kwethira kwina high cases ya cancer inyakiritwana tunini
to mwanka wetere mwanka wacho kenda wita uchekwa na twinde itobwite kwethira twina awareness kinyanja tukera ana betu bari kwanza bara batikinyiti miaka 15 kwina kinya vaccination ya cervix cancer to make sure ana betu bari bonde iba Nteto chindano eu to make sure ekuru betu na ekuru betu iba weta screen for cervix and breast cancer akuru nabo bagategwa prostate cancer kenda tumba kuwata murimo yo mbere eyu ita muno
batinani ndirombete kenda bitakire antu ndebere batu twina namba ndene Kenya na murimo kansa na sukume kutha kwena program tentu kwemwe tentu kuyire i program yekiri mubango ne yotura yo kuthithia screening ya ekuru screening ya akuru screening ya antu babethi no ntu bara twichie kindawa no ntu windi daktari ya kumenywa wina kansa mapema tuotethia
mojojo tijwa musedo muri mojojo gwitwa kansa ijo tumite tuona family nyingi nyikithangika muno lakini muri mojojo rejo gwataga antu batina gantu jothiragia family ire kabisa no ntu muri mojojo nijurija mbesa jia family bakendi nyanguku kenda mtu ageria utetheka.
Ngwataniro ya Equity Group ibekete wetekaniria na kiama International Finance Corporation IFC gokeria biashara bani ni Bosmes kenda ukuria Kenya nkolokia muna biashara ireka gunekani ira chiregaira ogaroro kuborera kenda ikura na inge kathomba.
And together with our partners, today they are announcing an investment of $165 million to support Equity to build the capacity in the micro, small, and medium enterprises. So it gives me a little great pleasure to say we are really honored to take the responsibility of empowering our micro enterprises, nurturing them to grow, building their capacity. They are the future multinationals from Africa. So we have come up with the Marshall Plan for Africa, the Africa Recovery and Resilient Plan. Two powerful words framed together. The first one is to recover, but we don't just want to recover, we want to build better. We have realized what doesn't work. We want to build our institutions in a more sustainable way. If we build them sustainably, then they will be resilient for future shocks. They would be able to do better and to cope with the challenges of the future much better.
IFC's entry into the shareholding of Equity Group is a significant milestone for our partnership, I believe. And I would like to thank Equity Group for their support in getting us to where we are today. Supporting SMEs, digital finance services, and climate-friendly projects is central to our strategy in Africa to help create jobs, of course, but also to respond to climate change and leverage opportunities. As we expand our partnership between our two groups, we are pleased to collaborate closely with British International Investment to support Equity Group, especially their Kenyan subsidiary, and to expand lending for small businesses and for smart, climate-smart projects.
Why I'm here today is to celebrate the growing partnership together with the Equity Group and our excitement to be part of the group's ambition and inspirational plan to turbocharge the African Recovery and Resilience Plan, which personally I find a very inspirational and a motivating call to action. And we're going to be contributing in this $165 million, together with our partners IFC, our $50 million to pursue the important agenda of micro and small enterprises, as well as climate-smart investments.
Kiumia kiki ntangurutano cia wandi twemurika wandi iyele cia gishiko bunge kia Southiment ni shwabo getaiste iraka giteneka itongere twemurige karenga na wandi yankuenere msio wayoka iteneka ni Martin Makasi wandi chui iyele ni kuchiletia Rweri Kathomba barabeni iroto mwanya bia kureto garuruku ki utongeria ilunganiti na wandi chui iyele kwaraniria na akari no karanthina bamwe ba atongeria ba na kine gichunje kia mbere kiriboti ya mwanya tangurutano shewadi. Oreti ya mieri 3 akia Kenya betande bene ite mwanya ibionekete bina ntangurutano inditoma na akaunti ya Meru wandi yankuene na abogete istini mwechi achio kigechunje kia mbere ito murekete wandiri yele na njira ya kwenda kumenya ya maingio shikonia Wambere, abogete istina ringi kura ngiri 21,310 baile, orea kariba ibonde ngiri 44 ya magana ya 6. Wandi yankuene nio ina ringi kura ngiri 33, orea kariba ibonde ba ngiri 60. Nkuene MC wakaitakani mheshimiwa Rawise kiene muno ya Martin Makasi, urokururete kirenge na kiama kia UDA.
Ni MC onkuene na ndathuri na ntubankuene antungiri 14 ngwitike kendene Kenya ndari namba 2 ya MC orothuri akure nyingi wa mbere ari o Kisumu town ari na 17,000 votes anjoka iri ntubankuene katho muno monkana ari no ntubomba kuri County Assembly ndi deputy majority leader no kiama kia ntubara baingi kia Jubilee Nyakatha antekutha inda umere Jubilee ndeta unda
abogete istinio MC wakaitakani mheshimiwa Mwirigi Karenga urinyewe okurwirete kirenge endu na kiama kia Mbas.
Mwirigi Karenga ni MC wa Bogeta East kwetu ni Mbareni na Imenti South Numbumite nonda dhurero ndi MC wa irio
Wandi yankuene ne kuchiletia Rweri bete kia MCA Babero endu bene gweta 10.
Mbeta wakirimikanyata kumuru
ndanominatwa 2017 ndaromba ndaganta nominato na ikiato mathai mocho agitekaire na kiama kia Mbas na ndakurukita na kiama kia Mbas kaire bona ndiri ya rajaire
abogete istinio ina Rweri bete kia MCA Babero Kathomba baba inge na inyabo bene gweta
tawa Caxton Nyunge na ndi mwalimu ini secretary wa nati dene Meru mwankana ndi kagita kaka inkwenda gitegi siasa ni nkoromba giti kia MCA ndene ya ward ya Bogeta East na miungi imuntu kaleta nantuma miungi natongerete antu en experience gutongeria antu nonto odinduriwe induri ni aritani kagita kanesa na batongeretie
tagwa Eric Mawira ana magirire ari menyekanite turene pumite tura ya Bogeta East iria itagwa gatia au nyo gwetu na gitikira nguswa kia Bogeta East gitika MCA gitikira ikariri mweshimiwa arenda competition ile kugi gitike kia MCA oni ndio na referee mono na atuge itafu no toteni ninkake tu so many people na no monkatwika kamu na no monkatu engesera kile antu batiwe ko competition ile is okay na this very atuge itafu ambiti
marito mbeta kwa mrethi ngumete ya Bogeta East na ndicho wagitekea MCA
Wandiri yeliato shimenya nkolokike mantu yarasi menyakanete nayo onkuene menyakanete no remi bwa mayani kaua na inyeria Utekolo nkobota unirere gweta kauntini ya Meru na ina biashara indiku wandine ya nkuene Bogeta East nio ni thara muno kiuri